Today we're talking about the most frequently asked questions I receive from first-time homebuyers. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Julie Abel from Estes Park Living and Signature Home Team, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. We share insights about the real estate market in Northern Colorado and Estes Park, plus get you a glimpse into what it's like to live in one of the most beautiful places on the planet. Today, we're answering the most common questions home buyers ask, especially if it's your first time or if it's been a while since you bought a home. This video will walk you through everything from getting started to getting those keys in your hand. So let's dive right in. Number one, what's the first step in buying a home? The very first step is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This gives you a clear picture of what you can afford before you start shopping. It also tells sellers you're a serious buyer, which can make a big difference in a competitive market. We work with fantastic local lenders who can help you run the numbers and get pre-approved, often in just a day or two. Once that's done, you'll be ready to start your home search with confidence and clarity. Number two, why is pre-approval so important? Pre-approval isn't just a financial step, it's a strategic one. It gives you a maximum loan amount, an estimated monthly payment, and even breakdown of your potential closing costs. But beyond the numbers, it shows sellers you're ready to go, which can make your offer stand out in a multiple offer situation. Some sellers won't even consider an offer without it, so it's your ticket to a smoother, faster buying process. Number three, how do I know if I'm ready to buy a home? Being ready to buy a home isn't just about having a down payment. It's also about your financial stability, consistent income, and knowing you're ready to settle into a home for at least a few years. If you've been thinking about putting down roots, building equity, or just getting out of the rental cycle, we can sit down, look at your full picture, and talk about whether now's the right time for you. Number four, how much do I need for a down payment? I get asked this all the time. This is one of the biggest questions buyers have, and the good news is you don't always need 20%. In fact, many conventional loans allow for as little as 3% to 5% down. FHA loan requires just 3.5%, and a VA loan for eligible veterans and active duty military offers zero down options. There's even down payment assistance programs available. Some are local and some are national. So don't let the down payment stop you from starting the conversation. Number five, what is PMI and do I have to pay it? PMI stands for Private Mortgage Insurance, and it typically applies if you're putting down less than 20%. It's designed to protect the lender in case of defaults, but it's also what makes a lower down payment possible. The cost of PMI varies based on your credit score and loan amount, but it's usually a small percentage of your loan added to your monthly payment. And the good news, once you reach 20% equity in your home, you can often remove PMI entirely. Number six, can I buy a home if I have student loans? Yes, absolutely. Student loan debt doesn't automatically disqualify you. Lenders are more concerned with your debt to income ratio, how much of your monthly income goes towards paying debts like student loans, car loans, or credit cards. If your income is steady and your credit is decent, you can still qualify. We've helped plenty of buyers in similar situations navigate this part of the deal successfully. Number seven, how do I figure out how much home I can afford? A great starting point is to aim for no more than 28% of your gross monthly income going towards housing expenses. This includes your mortgage, property taxes, insurance, and HOA fees if applicable. But that's just a general rule. Your comfort level might be higher or lower depending on your lifestyle and other financial goals. A good lender can help you break down that monthly payment and how it fits into your budget, not just what you qualify for. Number eight, what's the difference between a fixed rate and an adjustable rate mortgage? A fixed rate mortgage means your interest rate and your monthly payment stay the same for the life of your loan, typically 15 to 30 years. It's predictable and it's easy to budget for. An adjustable rate mortgage, or ARM, usually starts with a lower interest rate for the first few years and then adjusts periodically based on the market conditions. It can be a good option if you plan to move or refinance before the rate changes, but it also carries some risk if interest rates rise. Number 9, what are closing costs and how much should I expect to pay? Closing costs are the fees and the expenses you pay to finalize your home purchase, and they usually range from 2% to 5% of the home's purchase price. They include things like loan origination fees, appraisal, credit reports, title insurance, escrow fees, and property taxes. In some cases, you might be able to negotiate with the seller to help cover part of the costs or roll some of them into your loan. We'll walk you through every estimate so there are no surprises. Number 10, do I really need a home inspection? Yes, you absolutely want a home inspection, even if it's not required. A professional inspector will go through the home from top to bottom and look for any structural issues, safety hazards, or repairs that you might need. It also gives you peace of mind and can also give you leverage to ask for repairs or even walk away from the property if something major turns up. It's one of the most important protections you have as a buyer. Number 11, how long does the home buying process usually take? Once your offer is accepted, the closing process is usually 30 to 45 days. But the whole journey, starting with getting pre-approved, searching for homes, touring properties, and making offers, it can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. Every buyer's timeline is a little different. Some people find the one very quickly, others it takes a little bit more time, and that's perfectly okay. We'll work at your pace. Number 12, do I need a real estate agent to buy a home? Technically, no, but working with a real estate agent gives you a huge advantage. We handle all the behind the scenes details like writing the offers, scheduling inspections, negotiating the offer and repairs, and keeping your transaction on track. So hiring an agent is no-brainer. Buying a home is a big decision, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. When you've got a team of pros guiding you every step along the way, it becomes smooth and even exciting in the process. If you're thinking about buying or just have questions, reach out anytime. We'd love to chat and to help you get started. And hey, if this video has helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for real estate tips in Northern Colorado and share it with a friend who's thinking about buying. Also, I'm going to put a link down below. All of this information is in a home buyer's guide that we provide free to anybody, so we'll leave that for you. Thank you so much for watching all of our videos, and we will see you next time. Bye!